What's up, you guys? Here we have a full body mini loop band workout. This workout was definitely killer and had me sweating. To get an effective workout, you want to make sure that you limit your rest breaks. For each exercise, you want to do them about 10 times each and rest for 30 seconds. Push yourself to do at least 2 to 3 rounds. If you don't have many loop bands, you can still do each exercise, but you can head over to sweetsweat.com and get them with using code ALISEG10 at checkout.
Too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now.
Here is an easy, effective recipe that you can use. For the ingredients, all you need is 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 2 medium ripe bananas, 2 large eggs, 2 cups of rolled oats, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, a ½ teaspoon of baking soda, and a ½ cup of chocolate chips. Preheat the oven to 400. And prepare a muffin pan by spraying the cavities with cooking spray or lining them with paper liners aside. Add all the ingredients except for the chocolate chips to a blender or food processor and process on high until the oats are broken down and batter is smooth and creamy. Stir in chocolate chips by hand. You're going to pour batter into a prepared muffin pan, filling each cavity until it is about 3/4 full. And then sprinkle chocolate chips over the top of each muffin. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes until the tops of your muffins are set and the toothpick inserted into the middle comes out clean. Allow muffins to cool in pan for 10 minutes. Serve and enjoy these tasty muffins.
It's like a gift, it's about the thought. No name might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while. But thank you for coming, I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile. I'll have a cup of tea while you have a latte for both you and me. The caffeine will make sure that you don't fall asleep, 'cause darling, you're sleepy, eyes are closing. Please stay awake for me. I know you wanna go, but please stay here with me. I could show you things that you've never seen. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop.